Shubhi, I have a doubt.
Doubt. What is your doubt, Kitty?
Ayyo, I'm not able to find the picture element in the periodic table.
What? Picture element in periodic table.
Then where to find? In space,
Kitty, let me explain to you about the picture element.
When the display is on, there are lakhs of tiny lights that glow to make a picture on the screen. Each one is called a pixel or a picture element. For example, this display is made up of 9,21,600 pixels. This is the microscopic view of the display in on mode. Each pixel consists of 3 subpixels: red, green, and blue. The mobile screen can form millions of colors on it by varying the intensity of the RGB. Most products today can display more than 16 million colors. The 3 subpixels glow at equal intensity to form white light. Here we can observe the changing colors and their corresponding pixel displays. For example, during red light displays, the blue and green light are off.